First time ko ito makita.
We're so happy to have you.
Ang gwapo mo pala talaga, no?
Sino-sino kasama natin ngayon, Miss
Of
Frenchie?
course, ang una akong ipapakilala ay ating furry diva dahil siya ay may 10 alagang dog.
yeah.
Of course, isa sa pinakamagaling na theater actress, Miss Ima Castro.
Miss Ima.
Hello! Ang akin naman pong pangalawang sister ay nanalo din po sa isang singing competition. Siya ay nag-grand champion doon. At Mau Marcelo ang pangalan mo.
Hi, ma'am.
Ang ating pong pangatlong diva ay nakasama ko po siya sa singing contest din na pareho kami ng sinalihan. Miss Marinel Santos.
Miss Frenchie, una, congratulations sa inyong 20th anniversary.
Thank
Yung
you,
recently na
thank
yung
you.
celebrate. Aside from the music, we also want to say that you're an inspiration to many. Diba?
thank you.
Especially lalo na sa larangan ng Bell sa palsy. Diba? And you're such a fighter. Diba? You're
Yes,
such a fighter.
dapat
And
talaga doon.
I know that
Laban
your
tayo.
team is also a fighter.
Yes.
So ang tanong, laban tayo. Hanggang jackpot!
Jackpot!
Pero bago yan, siyempre, baka naman pwede po kami makarequest ng konting
Okay.
sample ng inyong magagandang tuna.
Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and angels sing, and heaven and angels sing, and heaven and nature sing.